Tired Yidden, we all need chizuk when the days of Ikvus the Mashiach. There's so much challenges out there. There's so much nesyonos, such temptations, and everything is so fogged up. Let's get some clarity. There's a fascinating medrash on the pasuk in Bereshis. Vayar Elokim es kol asher asa v'hinei toiv ma'od, says the medrash, nothing less. V'hinei toiv ze yetzer hatoiv. Toiv ma'od ze yetzer hara. It's almost impossible to understand the medrash. How could we refer to the yetzer hara as extremely good, very good? And maybe we could explain, when we have an aside from the yetzer hara and it's difficult and it's hard, really it's toiv ma'od, it's your biggest opportunity possible, because if you overcome and you conquer the yetzer hara and you win, you grow, you rise, as we find by Yosef HaTzadik from the worst possible Nisayan. He grew when he overcame and he became a melech, a king, as the Zohar and the Medrash explains. There was a war survivor that gave over, that he was in the Nazi concentration camp in Treblinka. And at one point the Nazis came up with the most evil idea. They took a paroiches from Aharon from one of the shuls that they burnt, and it had engraved beautifully in gold letters, Zeh Hashar Lashem Tzadikim Yevoy Uvoy, because it served the Aharon, which means this is the gate to Torah, to the Rabbi Shalom. And they decided nothing less to take this paroiches and hang this at the entrance of the gas chambers, that when Yidden are coming to be murdered and they know where they're going, they should see these words and they should get anger feelings. They should feel abandoned from the Rabbeinu Shalom. But what really happened? Yidden came there in the last moments of their life, and they saw those words. It appeared to them like if the Rabbeinu Shalom opened the heavens. It showed them a smile. It showed them this is the entrance to Gan Eden, where tzaddikim enter Gan Eden. And they got so excited about it. They got so enthusiastic about it. They literally started to dance there at the entrance of the gas chambers. And even the non-observant Jews started to dance along. When the Nazis realized that it's serving the opposite of their purpose, they just removed that paroiches. So many times we're challenged and we feel that we're tempted. And we're literally at the gate to Gehenna. We have to remember this is an opportunity. It's toiv ma'od. Zeh hashar Lashem tzadikim yevoy uvoy. It's a gate to rise, to grow, to become closer to the Rabbeinu Shalom. Dance, get up, fight. The Heilige Beis Avram would cry and say, the pasuk says, "B'matan Torah, and Moshe nigash el harafel asher shamu elikim." Moshe went to the darkest fog. Explains the Mechilta, there's 3 levels. There's a level of choshech, darkness, you lose sight. There's a greater level of anan, which is fog, very thick darkness. The greatest level is harafel, which is a thick fog that doesn't let you move. You have zero vision. Moshe b'matan Torah yelled out to Yidden, when you feel a ruffle, it's so fogged up, it's so dark, it's so challenging, you're so tempted, you can't move, you're choked. Asher shamu elikim, that is your opportunity to reach the Rabbeinu Shalom if you will fight and understand. Yetzer hara is toiv ma'od. Zeh hashar Lashem tzadikim yevoy uvoy. You could turn every Nisayan in to the biggest opportunity of closeness of the Rabbeinu Shalom. When you overcome, you will gain malchus and reach the highest heights possible. Let us be zoichet to it. We have to do it.